treasures!
Welcome back again.
Hello, welcome back.
Here we are.
Again, yes. So today we have a really fun game that is going to test Laura's knowledge on sound. And you guys too, because you can play along with this game as well.
Okay.
So what we are doing is I have sounds for her to guess. And there's certain sounds made by certain things that I was doing, that I was making the sounds with. And she's to figure out what it is that's making that sound. And you guys can too. So if you get at least half of these, which would be 3, because there's 6, then you win.
All right. Now, I will say, I don't know that hearing is my greatest ability. I don't think I have a superpower in it, so I'm not sure how this is going to go.
Yeah,
Plus,
we'll see.
I don't know. She usually makes things really hard for me to guess.
I think you'll get some of these. I really think you will. I think you will. All right.
Find out.
So let's go to the first one. Okay, so here we are at the first one, and this is the first sound, and you're going to hear it as she hears it, and she just has to figure out what it is. All right.
Let's listen. Something shaking or scrubbing.
Okay.
It does sound like something is being cleaned. Okay, now do I get multiple choice or?
You just have to guess.
Alright, let's do it one more time.
Okay. Now I will give you one hint for any of them. If you really need a hint for one of them, I'll give you one.
Alright.
Now you do have to consider that things sound a little bit different when they're in front of a mic than they do
True.
In real life, so.
It was either something being cleaned or something shaking. I'm gonna say it was silverware being shook in a container.
That's actually a good guess, but it wasn't. It was actually 2 pieces of tin foil being rubbed together.
Oh,
yeah.
man.
Yeah. Let us know if you got that one. You didn't get that one, but let's see if you get the other ones.
All right.
Okay, so here we are at the second one, and you can go ahead and listen.
So I have no idea what to expect now, because that didn't sound like tinfoil at all.
Yeah, I know.
Just saying.
Well, that was a harder one out of them.
Let's listen in.
All right.
What? There was nothing there. Wait.
Gotta listen really closely. You can turn it up if you can turn it up.
Is there just one sound in the middle? Is that what I'm listening for?
There are 2 different sounds on this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is it a can being opened?
No. No. No, it's actually a DVD being opened. Can you hear it now?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the pop, and then I closed it too. Yeah, so that's what that one was.
Hard.
They are hard. Yeah, these ones are very hard.
Of course.
So let's go on to the next one. Okay, so we have the third one here, so you can go ahead and play that. This one might be a little bit harder than the other ones, actually.
Oh, this is your flossing.
Oh, you got it! Yeah,
I know that sound
flossing.
That little pop.
Yeah, because I floss a lot around you when I'm flossing.
Oh, no, it's just I floss, and I know that sound. I hear it every morning, and really every morning.
See, I use the little plastic ones, not the long string, because my teeth are very close together, so it's much easier for me. So I thought you might get that just because the pop is louder than normal. Yeah.
No, yeah.
Yeah. Well, there you go. You got one. So now you just have to get 2 more.
Okay.
All right. So you just need 2 more here. So let's see if you can get these.
All right. Here we go.
I feel like she'll get this one. I really do. I really think you're going to get this.
Something twisting?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Let me guess again.
And listen to the very end, too. That's a sign, too.
Oh, yeah.
No! What?
I think this has to be your winding up your pocket watch.
Oh, yes it is.
If you hadn't told me to listen for the ticking, I probably wouldn't have got it.
Yeah. Technically, I could, if I'm mean, I could say that's your hint for the rest of them, but I'm not. That was
We'll see how hard
not
they
meaning
are.
to give it.
So the first two I thought were really hard, and then these two were not so bad.
Yeah. And yeah, I thought the ticking at the end would give it away, but yeah, it's me winding my watch.
Actually, when you originally, like, when we decided to do this, I really thought that you were going to use your pocket watch.
Really?
Like, that's such a cool sound. There's no way she's not going to use your pocket watch.
Yeah, well, you're right. Okay, so you just need one more now.
I do, so let's go to it.
All right. Okay, so here is one that I feel like everybody will get. I think you're going to get it. It's pretty easy.
All right,
go ahead.
Let's see. Aww, that's a kitty purring.
Yeah, it is. Now,
it has to be Ginny, right?
Oh, I was just about to say, do you want a bonus point if you can guess which cat it is?
Oh, yeah, that's Ginny. Definitely. She's like, it's so funny. You can basically, like, turn her on. Like, she'll be totally asleep. And then you go over and you start to pet her. And then it's like, boom, it comes on like a motor. And then the purring just starts.
Yeah, I picked her up in front of the mic. And all I had to do is, like, pet her, like, once. And she started all this purring.
Seriously,
it's so
like
easy.
you just hit the on button and then she starts purring.
Oh, it's so funny.
Yeah.
But yeah, you got that one. So you won. But do you want to do the last one?
Let's
just
do
for
it
fun?
for fun.
Okay, let's do the last one. Alright, so here's the last one. And I would like to say, if you're listening to this, you're like, there is popping in the background, crunching. That is not part of the sound. That is Ginny eating food in the background so I could keep her in the shot. So there's nothing to do with it. It's just there's other sounds.
You needed the purring one?
No, in this one right here.
Oh.
Yeah, so if you hear crunching, that has nothing to do with it. It's just Ginny eating.
Okay, here we go.
This one's a little bit quieter. I don't know if I'm going to get this one. We'll see.
Okay, wait, let's do it again. It's like you're scooping something or like a food kind of thing. I mean, let's do it again.
Okay. You still have your hint.
So it's not the whistling wind. That's not it, right? The whoo in the background?
No.
Okay.
No. Yeah, it's
what is okay?
You still have your hints
That's
that you
right.
never used.
I never used my hint. Okay, let's do it again. Something creaking. All right, give me a hint.
Okay, so it's something that we both do every day, and it has to do with our head.
Both do it every day. It has to do with our head.
Yeah, a lot of people do this.
Brushing your hair?
Mhm.
Really?
Yeah, it's brushing my hair. It wasn't like, so it wasn't like as loud as you would think, like the normal sound going through like ruffled hair or something. Is it because I just brushed it because I thought I had the mic on, so I was like pre-doing it, and I had to do it again because I forgot to turn the mic on. But
so it would have been louder if it was more tangly.
Yeah, right. But wow, you did very well on that.
I'm surprised.
Yeah,
because the first two I was so off.
Oh yeah. And I actually thought you would get the DVD one because it was like you could hear the DVD
after you
inside.
told me that, I could definitely hear it.
Yeah.
There's like a whole world of things to choose from, so.
There is.
But I still won, so yay.
You did win, and you more than won. You got more than you needed. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and maybe, hey, this is an idea for you to play a game with your family or friends. It's very easy to do. I mean, you just find things around the house and you record them on. You can do it on your phone, on anything really. You don't need a mic. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this episode, and now it is time for the news.
A man in Los Angeles was recently arrested for eating too much popcorn. The man went to his local movie theater to watch Avengers Endgame and ordered a large-size popcorn with free refills. After watching the first showing at 9 a.m., he remained in the lobby and continued to keep refilling his tub with popcorn until the theater closed. He then returned the following day and repeated his actions. On day 8, employees took notice, and when he refused to leave, they called the authorities.
Lots went on at movie theaters all over the country this weekend, with so many people flocking to see Endgame. But humans weren't the only ones excited for this release of the movie. A local group of cows in Texas decided to show up and make the trip, and they came with their best fancy hats and painted hooves. Staff at the local theater was very shocked, to say the least, but made an extra batch of popcorn for them. And now it is time for the Taylor Treasure Box.
Let's do this.
Okay. Let's see what we got here. Alright, I just snapped my fingers 25 times. Wow. I can snap my fingers, but it starts to hurt after a while.
I like snapping my fingers. I'm very good at snapping my fingers.
You are very good at that.
Let's do this.
Yeah, she's very good. Okay. So, what was yours?
Oh, yeah. I have to speak gibberish, but think I'm actually talking English.
Okay.
While we're speaking English.
Yeah, so you think you're talking English, but
What?
You're speaking gibberish. I can't understand you. What are you saying? I can't understand. Do you understand or I don't? Do you know that you're speaking gibberish? Because you.
Damn it.
What? I can't. Okay, you're being. I don't understand. I understand. What? What? Are you trying to explain them? Because you're not being able to explain anything.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay. All right. You're okay. You're still doing it. Just gonna do this for the rest of the time, I guess. Okay. Okay. Now let me do it 25 times. You count in English, please. Okay. 1. You're right. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, I did 30. I went to 30.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I did a 5 extra, so it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Exactly. So we hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope Laura can start to speak English again at one point. That'd be great. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and give us a like and a comment. And after you do that, make sure to press the bell so you get all of our videos in your notifications box. And we'll see you next time. Bye! Hey guys, thanks for watching that episode. If you'd like to subscribe down here. Oh, you're speaking English again.
I can talk now.
Oh, you can. Wow, okay. Well, make sure to subscribe here. That'd be very awesome if you would do that. And make sure to, if you want to watch a previous episode, you can click up here. If you want to watch a random episode, you can click down here. And we'll see you next Thursday. Bye!